guys! Today we are going to make graham balls. So here are the things you need. You need crushed grahams, marshmallows, and condensed milk. And a bowl, and a spoon, and an extra plate, and a bowl. Now let's get started. First, pour in the crushed grahams into the bowl. Then, add the condensed milk. Then mix them together until it becomes paste-like. Then, pour crushed grahams on a separate bowl. After that, wrap each marshmallow with the mixture, forming them into balls. Finally, you now have your own graham balls. Now let's make some more. Taste it. Yummy.